Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into Ocho Rios. We're on the Northern Coastal Highway driving into Ocho Rios. So now Ocho Rios is, if it's not the most popular tourist destination, it is one of. It's a straight up tourist town. It has a lot of hotels, has some very nice beaches. It's one of the, it also has two cruise piers where ships can come in. We're coming up to one on the left now, and the cruise ships come in for the day. The tourists come off, walk up and down. They also get tours from the pier straight to Dunn's River Falls. You can go to Dolphin Cove, Mystic Mountain. You can go all over the island because the roads on this side are very good, very nice. Some of the best roads you'll find in Jamaica. Not some of the best roads, no, some of. Okay, so now Ocho Rios, as we said, has a lot of hotels, from the large all-inclusives to the regular hotels. It has restaurants, has everything tourists need. So the tourists would come in on the left here. That's one. I think Ocho Rios has two piers. This is one. And then the tourists would walk into Ocho Rios. There is a boardwalk over there that's the boardwalk. And they have security and everything out here, so nobody harasses anybody. And very nice experience. You have a lot of plazas for the tourists to visit. And as I said, you can the top tours are the top tours in Jamaica where tourists, when they come, go and visit, is Dunn's River Falls, which is in Ocho Rios. Dolphin Cove is number 2 in Ocho Rios. Actually, they're all on this road. They are one right beside each other. We take a tour bus probably at 5 minutes to drive from the pier to Dunn's River Falls, if so long. Now, the number 3 most visited attraction is Mystic Mountain, which is probably 2 minutes down the road from the pier. Okay, on the left is a new fishing village plaza. On the right is Columbus Heights. Those are apartments that you rent like for tourists. They have like timeshare, those kind of things. Alright, so now we're going into the heart of Ocho Rios now. And one thing you're going to notice about Ocho Rios, the town itself, you're going to see plazas and you're going to see hotels. That's what makes up the majority of Ocho Rios. Especially this side because it's so close to the pier. As you can see, a very nice restaurant there on the right. Their Turtle Towers is on the left. Those are apartments that you can rent through Airbnb or like hotel apartments, villas. Okay, over here is Sand Castles, which is a hotel. On the right you find more shops, restaurants, bars, you name it, you can find it here in terms of tourism. There's a gaming, I guess that's a casino, Reno Gaming. Okay, on the left is a plaza. I don't remember what the name is. Okay, now this side as you come down here is more, okay, on the right is the craft market. This is more the section for the locals now, because Ocho Rios is a huge town, one of the largest towns in Jamaica. You would think, looking at this place, this would be the capital of St. Ann, and St. Ann is the largest parish in Jamaica. You would so easily think, okay, with all that's going on here, all the tourism, all the hotels, the banks, everything, this part is more for the locals now. You would say, wow, this must be the capital of St. Ann, but it's not. It's the main town by far, Ocho Rios, but the capital of St. Ann is actually St. Ann's Bay, and it's a nice town, but compared to Ocho Rios, Ocho Rios is a much bigger town. Okay, on the right is the NCB Bank. Now on the left is a massive hotel. We're going to take a look at it. On the right is another plaza. This is I'm not sure what this hotel name now. I think it's Half Moon or Moon Palace, I think. But Back in the day, this was Jamaica Grand, and it's a massive hotel. I think at one point, the two separate hotels were here, and they merged them together and formed Jamaica Grand. There you can see, huge facility. Oh, the gate flies, so we're just going to drive in. No, I don't think we're allowed, so okay. So we're just showing you guys the hotel. We're not really interested in going in there. You can see the size of the hotel from here. And this is in Ocho Rios itself. And it has a beach. Very nice. I think it's Moon Palace now. But it used to be Jamaica Grand, as I said. Okay. Now you would think, wow, those are a lot of hotels. But guess what? We haven't even seen half of the hotels in Ocho Rios yet. I mean, at one point, I'm sure Ocho Rios was outside of Montego Bay. I don't think there's any place in Jamaica that has as many hotels as Ocho Rios. And then when you take into consideration Miami Bay with all the villas, and then you go further up the outer Ocho Rios, they have even more villas and more hotels. But I think it's only Montego Bay as a town that has more hotels than Ocho Rios. Alright, so this part now is a town center, which is definitely for the locals, because a lot of people live in Ocho Rios. It's one of the largest towns in Jamaica, and with all these massive places like Duns River Falls would need a lot of people to work there. The hotels alone would employ so many people, and there's so many of them. Then you're going to find that these areas are booming with activity. You have Draxall down the road, and that is a massive residential area. You have Richmond Estate, thousands of homes in Richmond alone. And guess what? Those areas don't have banks. They don't have hospitals. Well, St. Anne's Bay has a hospital. Okay, you see that car literally just run the red light. Every day these things happen on the road in Jamaica. But like Richmond with those thousands of homes, they don't have banks. Ocho Rios is where they would come, or St. Anne's Bay. Draxall doesn't have banks, it doesn't have supermarkets. Richmond doesn't have supermarkets. All that kind of activity would have to come into either Ocho Rios or St. Anne's Bay. And Ocho Rios is a much bigger place than St. Anne's Bay. Probably 10 times bigger than St. Anne's Bay. So you find the people coming to Ocho Rios. You need to do shopping, it's Ocho Rios. So that is why it's so busy. Every fast food chain, every bank, every major company has a branch here, and a lot of hotels. So whatever goes along with those hotels, you're going to find here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.